In this short video, I will be introducing you to constructivist grounded theory. Now, you might be wondering, why should I consider constructivist grounded theory? And where did constructivist grounded theory come from? Well, back in the 1960s, Glaser and Strauss introduced grounded theory as a way to counterbalance the dominance of quantitative methods. Fast forward to today, and Chalmers's constructivist approach. This approach acknowledges the dynamic relationship between researchers and participants. It's about understanding how we generate and interpret data through our interactions. Picture this: you, the researcher, are exploring a phenomenon where little is known, and you want to embrace the subjective reality of it all. Well, that's where constructivist grounded theory is helpful. Unlike other approaches, constructivist grounded theory acknowledges the notion that your own knowledge and worldviews can shape the research process. Forget about testing hypotheses. Instead, embrace the freedom to co-construct groundbreaking theories. If you are examining under-researched issues, if you are seeking shared knowledge, and if you want to get involved in in-depth interviews, constructivist grounded theory is your go-to method. Now, let's talk about positive change. How can constructivist grounded theory contribute to it? Grab a seat, get comfortable, and let's explore how constructivist grounded theory is both a research method and a catalyst for transformation. One powerful way is through its application in equity, diversity, and inclusion efforts. In a world where ongoing events highlight the importance of these principles, constructivist grounded theory can be a powerful tool for transformation. It can open doors for traditionally marginalized voices to be heard through change-making conversations. For instance, see my paper titled, "Using Constructivist Grounded Theory to Examine the Experiences of Black British Female Managers." A worked example. This paper has been downloaded hundreds of times in 4 continents of the world and has initiated a global dialogue on the unique challenges faced by Black British female managers. And furthermore, it is fostering a collective commitment to dismantling barriers and advancing equity in leadership roles worldwide. Now, let me break constructivist grounded theory down into a step-by-step guide. First, clearly articulate the research question or problem to be explored. Then conduct a preliminary literature review to understand the existing knowledge and identify gaps. Next, strategically select participants and data sources to enhance theoretical development. Use methods such as interviews, observations, or document analysis to gather rich data. Then, begin the process of coding data, breaking it down into meaningful segments or codes. Next, develop connecting codes and identify relationships between categories. This should lead to focused core categories and themes, and the emerging theory. Throughout this process, you should use memos to capture your reflections, ideas, and emerging concepts, as well as your decisions during the coding process. Constructivist grounded theory is flexible, it is user-friendly for researchers of all skill levels, and it provides a transparent audit trail for your research journey. You should continuously assess the data to determine when sufficient data has been collected. This is called saturation. Next, carefully identify relationships and connections among categories. And finally, construct a coherent and compelling narrative that explains relationships and patterns in the data, ensuring your grounded theory is sensitive to the context and experiences of participants. And there you have it. Whether you're a seasoned researcher or just starting your journey, give constructivist grounded theory a try and let the transformative journey begin.